Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. I'm going to be outside in just a minute because that's where we're spending the majority of our time this weekend. Before we get too far into that, I wanted to share with you guys today's sponsor, which is Sundays. Sundays is an amazing dog food which I was introduced to a little over a month ago. The dogs were introduced over a month ago. We did a 10-day transition to get them onto this food. They're obsessed, which makes me obsessed. I would say I'm definitely an overprotective dog mom. So thinking about switching my dog's food, it's kind of overwhelming until I saw the ingredients of this and just how healthy it would be for my dogs and how clean it is. I knew I had to get them switched over. It's super high quality beef, chicken, vegetables. They have a beef flavor right here. They have a chicken flavor. The dogs have already plowed through completely all of the chicken. As you can tell, it's empty. We just started them on the beef this morning. They're also obsessed with that. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It actually looks kind of like beef jerky. So this is all human grade ingredients and it actually does not have to be refrigerated, which I appreciate. It's not taking up my fridge space. It's air dried, so I can just keep it in my pantry. This is what it looks like. It just looks like beef jerky. And the dogs actually really enjoy eating it as a little treat during the day too. Somebody's already coming over. Sit down. Good boys. Okay, so this little stinker right here was giving me such a hard time. Every single morning when I was feeding him his breakfast, he would not eat. And it was like a 30-minute ordeal. Honey, that's it. That's it for now. It was a 30-minute thing. I had to sit with him, make sure that guy didn't eat it. Now, since we have switched them over, buddy, he eats it right away. He loves it. They both love it, as you can tell with the tail wagging over here. A Midwestern vet actually created this dog food with her husband. They had a dog that had got really sick and they were on a mission to find the cleanest dog food and they couldn't. So they made Sundays. So if you guys want to check it out more for yourself, I will have a link down below so you can take a little quiz, see what's best for your dog. You can also compare your current dog food to Sundays and just kind of see the difference. You can also do a monthly subscription, which I personally love because then I don't have to worry about trying to find a certain food at the store and it not being in stock. This just takes all the thinking out of it. It just ships directly to my home. The packaging is adorable. I have a code for you guys. It's Abbye30 and you can get 30% off your first order. You get free shipping. So definitely check it out. I don't think you guys would be disappointed. I know a lot of you that follow me have dogs. I'm always sharing about my dogs all the time. You guys know I'm obsessed with them and just want to give them the longest, healthiest life. And I know feeding them really good food is a huge part of that. So definitely check it out. Like I said, I'll have the links down below. Now we're gonna spend the rest of the day outside. What are you doing? You're digging in the yard? If you follow me over on Instagram, you would know. Well, maybe you wouldn't. About 6 months ago, I posted a little funny video of Joshua mowing the lawn. It was when we first moved in. We just had a push mower. I'm pretty sure it took him about 6 hours. All day event. I don't even think he finished it. But look at him now. Have just been picking up leaves in these rocks, doing a little cleaning up, and over there got a lot of work to do, boys. Our weekend plans consisted of doing some yard work. We're behind because we moved in November, so we missed out on like a lot of the fall cleanup. Man, it got really windy and just like chilly randomly, but we are sticking to our plan of getting all of our outdoor patio furniture out. Josh was actually going into the barn right now. He's got to open that door over there. And that's where all of our furniture is that we've had for a couple of years. And then all of this stuff right here. Oh, hi, point. All of this stuff, we got this and all this. This actually just came with the house. Honestly, with all of our stuff, we're gonna kind of see, like, do we have enough room for everything? So we just want to get everything looking nice. I just bought these. Gotta figure out a way to like kind of prop them up a little bit higher, but I thought those would be nice in those pots. And I think I definitely need to get a different doormat. Been looking for an offset umbrella for the past few days. Haven't found one for like a decent price. I found one at like Bed Bath & Beyond for like $400 in store. Feel like we can do better than that. So that's still on my list. We're good? Okay. Gonna go get our stuff.
I mean, we can even have like, you know, a little sitting area right here with those chairs.
Ooh, let's get this on camera.
Sitting area right here with our new stuff.
Yeah.
And then we could do like, in this section, like the couches, the two chairs, the couches. And then over here,
The table.
could be the table, or we can even put the table in there.
Yeah, see.
No, because that's gonna be the future garden.
Yeah, so.
Table, no, here we go. Table here. No, table there.
Yeah, I'm thinking table here.
No, table there.
No, maybe. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But I want to share what I want to do over here. I can't say I'm a huge fan of the little pergola situation over here. What I would like to do is I would like to change this area to a little garden. If you have any experience with doing raised garden beds in pebbles, let me know. I would love any advice. I've actually never even done a garden, but I'll insert a picture of what I thought would look really cool here. I'm not talking about the ones that are like really raised. I'm talking about the ones that are probably just a foot high off the ground. So if you guys have any experience, comment, let me know. Can I do that in pebbles? I'm not sure what's under here, if it's dirt or just pebbles.
Also, if anyone knows anything about fish tanks or outdoor ponds, I'm working on this. So because this is 100% light, the algae's starting to grow.
It's completely green.
So what we're doing, that broke over the winter. So I got a new filtration system.
Just yesterday.
And then I'm gonna probably put in some lily pads or some floating plants to kind of shade the area, block the algae growth.
We have like, how many fish do you think are in there?
33.
33. Okay, so
More.
there are a ton of goldfish in here. If you guys have not been following this whole situation, we have this random fence around here, try to keep the dogs out of it because they've literally jumped in here before. We want to get this cleaned up and looking nice too. So now these are our other pets. Alright, we got all of the patio furniture out. Somebody is clearly enjoying it already. These cushions, I would say they're not in the greatest condition anymore. This probably, is this our third or will it be our fourth year? I don't remember. Some of them are like a different color just from fading from the sun. I think I could just take them off and wash them. I also forgot, there is an umbrella holder in this table, or an umbrella hole. Now I'm debating, do I just get an umbrella that goes in the middle of the table? Like just one umbrella? It's very full sun back here normally, so I don't know, maybe it would be good to have an offset one that I could keep over there and then swing it there or swing it here. I don't know, what do you guys think? Bandit, what is he doing? He looks like he sees something over there. He's getting into trouble. This is my little tip for propping your plants up if you need to do that like I need to. So these very large planters are from Bed Bath & Beyond a few years ago. I love them. these ferns, hopefully they don't die. It was like 48 degrees last night. This is just a little planter I found in my garage that I'm not currently using. And what I'm gonna do is just set it in here. And then I might even set it upside down. There we go. I've got a random stick in here. Okay, so set it upside down. That'll give the fern the height it needs. There we go. I feel like that's much better. Yeah, and then that's better. So yeah, I just found these little planters in my garage, ones that I'm not using right now. And here, that should work. This fern is part sun. It wasn't a full sun one, so hopefully it'll be okay here, or I might have to pull them out. I like it a lot. This is our plug right here for all of the lights that go all the way around here too. It's really cute at night. Thinking about maybe going to Target today. And if I do, oh, Joshua's calling me. If I do, I might have to get another rug. Hello? I, of course, had to pop in to see what kind of outdoor rugs Target has. I love to layer, so if I could find something to go under it. This is really fun for summer. Yeah, so if I could find something to go under it too, that would be great. Oh, the one with the little paws up there is cute. A bunch of other rugs out here. These are all pretty big. This is the one I was kind of wanting for the main seating area. This is a 7 by 10. I feel like I need a 9 by 12 for that area. Okay, I have a very good outdoor rug situation going on now, just for the front door rug. But these are all like umbrellas that could go in the table. They're not offset umbrellas. They're just like straight ones. I'm debating on this one for the table, but then a part of me, I don't know, I'm just not sure yet if I want an offset one, like a bigger one that just goes between the two, like something that can swivel, or if I'll just want something right in the table. I don't know. My apologies for just like the windiest video today. I have looked back at some of the shots and I can tell that it's like very windy in the background. As I was out, because I did go to Target, of course, I went to Best Buy to get a little wind thingy for my camera, like a little wind muffler. Unfortunately, they didn't have one. So I'm gonna try to do things fast out there so you guys don't have to, hopefully it's not bothering you too much. But Target, I thought I would show you guys in here just because it's not windy in here. I found this rug. I was so excited about this. This was randomly, I know it was in the wrong spot. It was like next to the grills and stuff. It says indoor, outdoor, and in the photo, they are layering it. So this is gonna be my layering piece. These colors are my inspiration of things, like the colors that I want to add outside more because everything is so gray. So I wanna brighten it up a little bit with colors like that beigey and cream color. I also got this whole summer rug because, as you can tell from the weather here, it's May and it is not summer yet. Here in Michigan, it is windy and chilly today, but actually later in the week is supposed to be really nice. I think it's supposed to get up in the 70s, so I thought this would be really cute layered. I grabbed a couple of outdoor pillows, which I don't know if this is even going to be a good idea just because there's so many like sofas and chairs out there, and I don't know if it's just gonna look weird and random to have two pillows. It says these are outdoor, but it says Studio McGee, which I love that. I don't know, it was in with the outdoor stuff, but they actually feel like they could be indoor pillows too. but really pretty. I grabbed 2 of these. Okay. Then I grabbed 2 of these. I think they were like $40 or something. They're little cement side tables, which I know we already have side tables too. I just have a problem when I go to Target. I can always return it if it doesn't work out, but there were only 2. And I felt like I just needed to see what this looked like out there, because I feel like these could all be really nice things out there to kind of just brighten it up a little bit. Obviously, once I get an umbrella, that'll brighten things up and look really nice too. I'm gonna put all this out there and see how it looks. Alright, I think I have finished up. I'll show you guys everything that I've done. I'm so happy with it. I just added the pillows to this little section right here. These cushions looked the worst out of any of the cushions. So I thought, you know, they needed a little something special over here. So that's why I put the pillows over here. No rug yet. Still debating on if I need an area rug for this spot. Yeah, I can't wait to take the cover off of that, because that fire pit actually looks really cool normally. I just put this right here. I don't even know if it's necessary, but I really liked the color of it, and it's just like kind of like this cement. I don't know, just kind of fun and cool. Her little rug situation is so fun. I love it. Love the plants. It's just feeling fun out here. Almost forgot to share this little tidbit of information. Joshua changed out the filter, and we got this new fountain here. So that's nice. So hopefully the green will go away. Let me know what you guys think of the area. If you have any suggestions for me, let me know. That's why I'm not finishing this, because I need your input on rugs and umbrellas. So now I can just sit out here, watch the dogs. It'll be nice to come out here in the morning too, drink coffee. I had a lot of fun with this video. I'm clearly very excited for summer. It's May. I'm just saying it's summer now. Okay, Michigan, time to pick it up a bit. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hi, Duty. He's so happy all of his outdoor furniture is out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what you thought. And I will see you guys very soon in my next one.